Hey there, fellow travelers. Mark here with Wolters World. Today we're at the Hauptbahnhof, the main train station here in Munich, because it's time to talk about some of the great day trips you can do from here in Munich. Because honestly, you're missing out if you're not doing some of the day trips from Munich. Because Munich's a great city, don't get me wrong. But the more you're here, the more you realize there's so many other things to see right by here, okay? So I want to give you some of those day trips that you can really enjoy. And I think probably the one that most people think of when I think of Munich is going to Neuschwanstein Castle. You know, the Disney-looking castle, the one that inspired Disney to make it, Mad King Ludwig's castle. Yes, you can go to the Neuschwanstein Castle, and I'm going to tell you, if you think it looks crazy from the outside, you should see some of the rooms on the inside. It is amazing. But what's even cooler is when you go there, it's not just the castle. There's a town called Fuessen. You can go and visit. It's a nice, cute little, Bavarian town you can see as well. So you kind of put two in one. So that's a really nice thing. And if I start thinking about more of the nature-based day trips, you've got Garmisch-Partenkirchen, which a lot of people think is two towns. It's actually two towns that merge into one town. And you go there, that's where you have your hikes, and you want to go skiing and stuff like that in the wintertime, hiking in the summer, like I said. But the views, the Alps from there is gorgeous. Now, another Alpine adventure you can do is you can go to Berechtesgarten. And Berechtesgarten, another cute town you can visit. You got the hiking, all kinds of stuff in the Alps. But probably why you're going to go there is you're probably going to go to the Eagle's Nest. That's the old, Hitler's old bunker kind of thing. You can go, well, it's not a bunker, it's in the mountain. But you can go and take the elevator up. I mean, it's beautiful views, but it is a part of history you can do on a day trip. And talking about a historical thing you should visit when you are here, which is a horrible, horrible stain on mankind, you can actually go to Dachau, the concentration camp right outside of Munich. You can go there and really see some of the atrocities. And I'm not going to lie to you, it is a moving experience. Like, you'll probably be in tears after you've been there when you see the horrors that transpired there. And I do recommend people going there to see it so they understand what the Nazi concentration camps were really like. And it is a moving experience. So I do recommend going to it. Even if you take little kids, there's certain parts maybe you don't want to take them to. But honestly, it was a very, very important thing for me to go see with my kids, and I took them. But also a day trip you can do. And that's actually here in Munich, basically, like you're taking the local train to get out there. I forgot. There's another kind of outdoorsy thing you can do. You can go to Zugspitze, the mountaintop. You can go up there, so that's nice. But usually when you're thinking day trips, you're thinking, I got to go to other towns. Now, one super cute one is Oberammergau. At Oberammergau, it is this Bavarian village. You take the train out to it, but when you get there, you'll notice that the buildings, there's literally like fairy tales painted on the side of the buildings. It is so cool. I've been there a few times, and then Christmas time, it's gorgeous, but any time of the year is fantastic. Now, if you're looking for actual cities you want to go to when you come here, there are some really close cities by Munich you can see within an hour to 2 hours away, maybe a little bit farther, that I highly recommend. Number one, you've got Nuremberg. Okay, when you go to Nuremberg, you have a German National Museum there. It is an incredible museum to talk about the history of Germany. You've got the fortress up on the hill you can go see. I mean, it is beautiful. You've got St. Lawrence Church. You got the Frauenkirche there as well, another church you'll see. But also, it is kind of like the Christmas capital of Germany. So you're there at Christmas time. The Christmas markets are fantastic. Tons of museums. It's really great dates that easy to do. And you can get back and forth, no problem, in a day and spend a lot of time there. Another great city you can go to is Regensburg. When you go there, there's like a 12th century bridge. It doesn't go all the way across the river anymore, but you can get the Regensburg bratwurst when you're there. The cathedral there is fantastic. That's another great day trip, maybe an hour and a half away. You're going to go a bit farther, go Nuremberg, and a bit farther up, you've got Bamberg, which is a great Catholic city that has fantastic smoked beer. You can go there. Tons of breweries, but also probably the prettiest town hall in Germany. You can go there. And actually some of the nicest people in Germany. That's in the Franken region of Bavaria. So that's a kind of a cool thing you could do. I mean, there's all kinds of cities around that you can really take in. And also you can do easy day trips to Austria, Salzburg. I mean, literally, it's like an hour and 45 minutes away. Salzburg, Austria has some fantastic places to visit. The cathedral there, it's one of the largest Baroque cathedrals anywhere, which is really cool. You got the Hohen Salzburg, the fortress on the top that has a bunch of museums up there. There's a modern art museum. There's a puppet museum in there. Fantastic things to see. Of course, it's also Mozart's birth town, so you have his birth home that's there, his living house that's there. You've got great shopping and the Austrian food is good too, so you have that. So that's cool. If you want to go more mountainy, you could go to Innsbruck, Austria, also about an hour and 46 minutes away, hour and 45 minutes away. You go there, you have the Golden Roof, because the Habsburg, that was like one of Habsburg's like spots. So they have the Hofburg, which is the city palace. They've got the Ambras Castle outside of town, which is totally cool. Like they have this room of wonders or weirdnesses. Like you should check it out. It's pretty cool. The collection they had, but also just going in the castle, seeing the Spanish Hall is beautiful. But just wandering around Innsbruck, I mean, everywhere you look, it's just gorgeous. And actually, the Alpine Zoo that's in Innsbruck, great for the family as well. You can take the funicular up, and I mean, it's a really great experience. But honestly, there are so many great day trips from here in Munich. You're really making a mistake only staying in Munich, because Munich's great, but you have so many other things you can do. It'd be silly to pass up. When you can take the Deutsche Bahn or one of the other company trains around here to get there to enjoy it, go for it, because you're gonna have a great time. Anyway, I wish y'all the best. If there's other great day trips from here in Munich, please put it in the comments below so we can help other travelers coming to Munich see more great things on their days off here in Munich. Bye.